To grab a copy of your campaign results from Brevo, open your browser, head to the Brevo login page and sign in. Once your dashboard loads, look at the left sidebar, click Marketing, then click Campaigns. That brings up your full list of email campaigns. Find the specific campaign you want, click the 3 dots on the right edge of its row and choose Reports. When the performance page finishes loading, hit the Export Report button. Brevo will immediately generate a CSV file and your browser will download it. That's it. A complete campaign report, sitting on your computer, ready to open in any spreadsheet tool. The whole thing takes maybe 60 seconds once you know where to click. Now what you just did runs a lot deeper than that single button press, and I'll walk you through the details that actually make the difference between a clean workflow and a sloppy one. Because I've seen people trip over the same 3 things a dozen times, and I don't want that to be you. Let me start with the login step, because it seems obvious but I've been burned by this exact thing. If you manage multiple Brevo accounts, maybe one for a client, one for your own business, always double check which email address you're signing in with before you pull a report. I clicked through on autopilot once, exported an entire mailer's worth of data, and only noticed I'd grabbed the wrong account's campaign when the open rates made 0 cents. It's a tiny thing that saves you time and embarrassment. So verify the account name in the top right corner after you log in. Next, the campaigns page. When you click Marketing and then Campaigns, Brevo defaults to showing all campaigns, sorted by the most recently sent. If you've been running email marketing for a while, you might have pages of them. This is where a solid naming convention pays off. I learned this the hard way. Early on, I named campaigns stuff like Newsletter 1 and Test V2, and then couldn't tell which was which 6 months later. Now I always include the date and a short description right in the name. Something like 2025-03_product launch_promo. That way, when I scan the list to find the campaign I want to export, I spot it instantly. You don't have to rename old campaigns right now, but going forward, a descriptive name makes exporting and archiving way less painful. The tip says to review your campaigns before selecting the one to export. I'd take it a step further and quickly glance at the subject line and send date in the list, just to make sure you've got the right one. When you open the campaign report, Brevo pulls up everything. Delivery rate, unique opens, clicks, unsubscribes, bounce categories, and more. Here's a thing I wish more people knew. The numbers you see on screen are only as fresh as the last data refresh. Brevo updates campaign stats near real time, but for a campaign that just finished sending, especially a large one, give it a full 30 to 60 minutes after the final send before you export. I've exported too early and then had to re-export because the later opens and clicks trickled in and changed the picture. The exported CSV captures a snapshot at that moment, so if you're presenting to a client or your boss, you want that snapshot to be as complete as possible. Let the report fully load, you'll see all the graphs and numbers populate, then hit Export Report. The export itself is straightforward. One click and your browser downloads a CSV file. Brevo names the file something like Campaign Report Niche Campaign Mons Comptibok de CSV. I prefer to rename it immediately after download to include the date, like 202-50321_product launch_report, CSV, because the default name can lose context when it's sitting in a folder later. Do not close the browser tab or navigate away until the download finishes, especially if the CSV is large. The file usually isn't huge, but on a slow connection, it can take a few seconds. If you cut it short, you could end up with a corrupted file, and you'll have to go through the whole process again. I speak from experience. I once impatiently hit the back button and had to reopen the report. The export button works fine on a second go, but it's just annoying. Now why bother exporting at all? Brevo's dashboard gives you beautiful visualizations, but offline CSV data lets you do things the dashboard can't. You can pivot metrics in Excel, merge campaign data with Google Analytics exports, or spot trends across multiple campaigns by layering them in one spreadsheet. I've got a master folder on my drive where I store every monthly campaign export, and that historical record has saved my bacon more than once when I needed to compare year-over-year engagement without trying to piece together screenshots. The exported CSV includes the granular stuff, recipient-level data if you enable it, or at least the campaign-level aggregate numbers like click maps and domain opens. You can share that file with stakeholders who don't have Brevo access, and they can slice it however they want. Here's an expert move. Before you export, run a quick sanity check on the report itself. Look at the hard bounce count and the spam complaint count. If something looks off, like an unusually high bounce rate, you might want to investigate before pulling the data into your official archive. The export is only as clean as the campaign execution, and if you're exporting multiple campaigns, I'd recommend keeping a consistent folder structure, something like /Brevo reports //month/. It sounds overly organized, but when you're hunting for last July's summer sale performance, you'll thank yourself. You can also set a recurring calendar reminder to export after each major send, right after the data has fully updated. That routine ensures you never lose access to the numbers if your Brevo plan changes or you need to reference an old campaign. And remember, Brevo doesn't store campaign reports indefinitely in an exportable format at every plan level, so a local backup is your safety net. So, the whole flow again. Log into the correct Brevo account, go to Marketing Campaigns, find the right campaign using its descriptive name, open the report, and let it fully load. Click Export Report, and let the CSV download before doing anything else. Rename it clearly, drop it in an organized folder, and you've got a portable, shareable, offline safe record of exactly how your email performed. Take 2 minutes right now to export your latest campaign, get into that habit, and you'll build a library of data that actually helps you make smarter decisions instead of guessing based on memory. There's no real alternative within Brevo for a full offline export, and the button is just sitting there waiting for you. Go grab your first report, and you'll see how quickly it becomes part of your routine.